An effort to put nicotine at the center of our tobacco regulatory efforts and view nicotine really as the problem, both the problem and the potential solution to cigarette addiction. What kills people from cigarette smoking isn't the nicotine, although nicotine isn't a completely benign substance, especially in a developing brain in a young child. What kills people are all the carcinogens that are attached to tobacco when tobacco is combusted. And so the first part of this effort is to regulate nicotine levels in combustible cigarettes, to try to reduce nicotine levels to minimally addictive or non-addictive levels and reduce the addictive attractiveness of cigarettes. So we don't hook a whole new generation of smokers on to cigarettes, and so that people who want to get access to nicotine look to other potentially less harmful products than the tobacco, than the combustible cigarettes. At the same time, we pushed off application deadlines that were due on certain non-combustible products, including e-cigarettes. If we had not done that, they were facing a cliff where they would have been swept from the market. And so what we're doing is putting in place regulations to put those products through an appropriate series of regulatory gates while we allow them to continue to advance and innovate. This is new product innovation that has the potential to be a lot less harmful than combusting tobacco for those people who still want to get access to satisfying levels of nicotine. So, our view was at the very time that we're taking decisive action to try to reduce nicotine in cigarettes to non-addictive levels, we need to provide an alternative for adults who still want to get access to nicotine, and the new, what we call ENDS, electronic nicotine delivery systems, of which e-cigarettes are a prominent component, provide one alternative potentially for a safer route for patients to still get access, or people to still get access to nicotine. At the same time, we're going to be taking steps also to look at the medicinal side of our house and how we can allow more product innovation when it comes to nicotine replacement products regulated as drugs, so the OTC products, again, to make sure that we're providing proper avenues for people who want to get access to nicotine, adults who want to get access to nicotine, to be able to do it without having to combust tobacco.